commercial.
Because do we have a couple different kind of vacuums?
Yes, we have the regular vacuum here. We have 2 of them.
And what are some other vacuums we use?
Well, I'll show.
You can show us. You might not be able to get at it because we have.
Joachim, roll the wheelchair. You're going to fall.
So just be careful. Take your time. We have a lot of time. Let's see. It might be stuck. Please, really shut that. So, like I said, Joachim, I don't think we're going to be able to see it that well, but what's that vacuum called back there? Behind all the stuff.
Back there we have everything inside here.
But what kind of vacuum is that?
That's
you like
a
to
backpack.
use that? Yes, Joachim is very eager and likes to use the backpack vacuum that actually goes right on his back.
Wow.
And a lot of the students like that. I think we backpack vacuumed in Mr. Felak's office last year or the year before that.
Yeah, I thought we just had to explain it how we use it.
Yeah, so our closet's a little, but this is the closet where we keep everything. And what are these carts called?
The nursing home carts.
So what's the proper name for them? It starts with a J.
Janitorial.
The janitorial carts. And what room do we use these in?
We use them in the nursing home.
Okay. Anything else you want to see in here?
And then, so for the classroom, we use the big brooms. It's called the push broom.
Okay, and then what's this broom called?
Angle broom.
And then what about this one that we can't really see back there?
The dust mop we can't even see.
I know, because it's kind of behind everything.
And then these are the small brooms that we use.
And what are they called?
Lobby broom.
You know everything.
And then Miss M, and then we have another
piece of equipment. What goes in here?
Laundry. They're like a towels or t-shirt rags.
T-shirt rags, but what kind?
Clean.
And then what goes over here?
Dirty.
Good, so we know. And then what happens when this bin fills all up with dirty and there's no more in our closet? Then what do we have to do?
And then we have to wash it.
Right, so I know Miss D noticed today that all the towels are in here, so maybe tomorrow morning you guys can wash them when you come in, okay? Tomorrow morning. So we have fresh towels for them to use, okay?
Right, and then we have our mop here.
Right, and they'll go on our janitorial carts, but we have an extra mop.
And then we have the squeegee bucket here, and then the portable blowers right there.
Yes, the portable blower, I forgot about that. So forever mopping the classroom or out in the hallways. What does the portable blower help us do?
To keep the floor dry.
To dry it quickly in case students are leaving in the hallways.
We mop the floor, and then we keep a wet floor sign in there.
And why do we keep a wet floor sign out? For what?
For warnings, to warning people.
Warning people of what?
If the floor is wet.
Right, because we don't want them to do what?
Because we don't want them to come in and walk and see if it's a dirty floor, and they might slip and fall and get hurt.
Yep, we don't want anybody to get hurt here. We like to keep them very, very safe.
Very safe, right, Ms.
So if they come in healthy and uninjured, we want them leaving healthy and uninjured.
Right.
Okay? So do you want to go show them where the hotel room and the housekeeping